Hey everybody, Kent back with you. Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking. Today on my newly built Ugly Drum Smoker, we are going to be doing about, let's see here, about 6 pounds of chicken wings. So what we're doing, I did season them overnight with McCormicks, the Grill Mates Smokehouse Maple. First time trying it, so I'll let you know what I think. We're going to go ahead and get the pit fired up and throw some wings on and see if we can enjoy some wings today. Be back in a minute, gang. Thanks for stopping by. Alright gang, back out at the UDS here. Let me move my lid so you can get a little better view. And there you go, about 20 chicken pieces on the Ugly Drum. Like I said, smokehouse maple seasoning. Let's get these covered up so they can start cooking. And all I really did, gang, is I just took the tips off the wings. That's it. Season them up, let them put them in a pan overnight, and a little fresh seasoning on them today. And as you can see, we got a nice thin blue smoke rolling. So I'll bring you back when we check them. See you shortly. All right, let's take a look. 1 hour in. Color is looking awesome. So we'll come back in 45 minutes and check them for temp. See you back, gang. All right, gang, here's what we got. We got 3 of the wings that are done. You can definitely see the texture and the seasoning on these. Now, I did not glaze these at all. So these are just a naked wing, pretty much. Let me get this camera turned around and we'll talk a little bit more about it and give you a taste test. See you in a short. All right, guys. Wings were on about 250, about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Color, I really like the color. I think it looks really good. Nice deep mahogany. And let's pull this boy apart here. Ooh, a little warm yet. But let's give her a try. Good smoke flavor. You can really taste that smokehouse maple coming through. Touch of sweet, but nice and smoky. I did put in 2 very small chunks of cherry wood with the chicken. So all in all, I think it turned out great. A little different wing, but hey, that's okay. You know, you don't want them the same all the time. Otherwise it gets boring. So I would definitely say that McCormick Grill Mates, the Smokehouse Maple, give it a try. I like it. So there you have it. Thanks for stopping by, gang. Appreciate you watching this. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And we will see you down the road. Take care, gang.